Hi Sabha, we are live now. You can proceed.
Okay, sure. The participants are joining, it seems like. Okay. Hello, everyone. Very good evening. Am I audible for all of you? So, how are you all? Okay, fine, good. I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So, good evening. Okay. So, without wasting our time, let's continue our journey from where we have left. Today, we'll be working on the formulas and validations. So it's a really important part of the Salesforce platform. Apart from that, the previous class, there is one assignment to all of you. How was that assignment? You all have tried to fix it or finish it? Like data for the recruiting app? Yes. Any error, formula syntax? Okay, Mr. Atul. Formula and validation we are going to do today. So no need to worry about the formula one. But what about the previous one? Uh-huh. Regarding the previous module. What's the module name? Put the module name in the chat. There are few other modules which are dependent, which need to be completed before proceeding with the module we asked to complete us. Improve data quality for the recruiting app. Okay. For improved data quality for the recruiting app, I know it is a dependent module. So what I have suggested all of you to show the opportunities whose stage is proposal price, quote or negotiation review, and whose probability is greater than or equals to 50. Not getting this. Okay. I don't know. Like it's available on the YouTube. The recordings are available. I don't know. You can download it from the YouTube. I don't think so. It's downloadable. The entire session is of 2 hours. Uh, did you try? Yeah, for the data modeling, for that module, have you tried creating a empty objects and still it's not working? Still it's giving you error? I think so. You should be able to do it. I'll also give a try. Not an issue. We'll give a try. Let's complete our today's topics and then we'll give a try for that. Because the next assignment is also dependent on the recruiting app only. If you're not able to complete this one, then the next one will also you won't be able to complete, right? So we'll look into that. Fine. Okay, so our today's topic is wait a minute. This one, formulas and validation. We are going to start with the formulas and validation. In the previous class, like in the doubt solving session, we discussed all the doubts related to the module 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For till here, we have solved all the doubts. Now, today we will do the formulas and validation, which is for 1500 points, followed by Lightning App Builder. Oh, no, not this one. Another one. There is another Lightning. Yes. Quick Start Lightning App Builder. These two will do today. Okay. This one will do in the next class because it's very, very big. It's around for 3000 points. So we won't be able to do it with any other module. We have to give a dedicated session for this one. Okay. So let's continue with the formulas and validation. I'll just jump into this. Everyone show me a quick thumbs up if you all are on the same tab so that I'll proceed ahead. Yes, Mr. Gagana. Okay. So I'm just starting with the first one, use formula field. So the formula field is pretty much cool, right? How it works, like you don't have to manually do anything. It applies the formula every time and it updates the field form. Let's suppose, let me give you a very simple example. I have one small table over here. This table is all about the opportunities. Okay, I have the name of the opportunity here. I have the closing date, let's suppose. And the last one which I want to show here, how many days are remaining for the closure of this opportunity. Okay, this is all about opportunities. First, I'll have a name here. Name, right? Second, closing date. Fine. Third, how many days are remaining. Now, first to make sense, at least, that when a user or anyone is adding the data into the data table, they will enter the name of the opportunity and I can even mention what's a closing date. But days remaining is something which would be fluctuating every time. Let's suppose the first data which I'm adding over here, the name of the opportunity is XYZ. Okay. And this opportunity will get closed on 30th of September 2014. Make sense? So as per today's date, how many days will be remaining for closing this opportunity? Tell me. 4 more days, right? It's about today. But if I open this table tomorrow, how many days will be remaining tomorrow? 3. Day after tomorrow, 2, 1, so on. Do you think so? That somebody would be sitting dedicatedly to just update the opportunity days remaining in the table, in the object? No. That's not humanly possible. Correct? Like every day, I need to hire someone, dedicated person, who will just go through the days remaining and update the days on the daily basis. That doesn't make any sense. So, what we have to do in this case, we can use the formula, the simple formula that will help me to check how many days are remaining for this opportunities to close. Any guesses what should be the formula? What formula I can apply here in order to get days remaining in normal term? I don't want the like proper structured formula. Usually how you will do the calculation. If you want to know the how many days are remaining for anything, how we calculate it. Absolutely correct. So we will use closing date. I can put the formula closing date minus today, right? So in these cases, the formula field will be really helpful for you to update anything automatically. Okay. Apart from this, you can even find the formula. Let's suppose you have another module, another object, just an example, where you are calculating the company expenses, the entire expenses. So you have here salary amount, how many is paid, then other expenditure and everything. So the total here, I can keep it as a formula field, which will find the sum of all the records, whatever is entered up to the date, like from day one of the first day of the month till the today. Correct? So that again, I can use the formula field over there. That will just quickly sum up all the records and give me the total here. Total how many money I'm spending for the salary and what are the other expenditures and everything that can come easily with the help of the formula. Correct? So in these kind of cases, the formula field would be really, really helpful for you. Here the same couple of examples are given for you. Like, yeah, same one. Days to close. How many days are remaining for closing this opportunity, right? As per the closing date. Apart from this, yeah, we'll be working on the formula editor where you have to enter the formula, debug it and everything. I'll show you how to use this, what are the different field, what are the different operators and functions that are available for you in order to use it. The formula can be anything like I want to show the account number in the contact page. In the contact page, I want to show account number, so I can use this formula field. I am not going to do all these activities because if I do these activities, then in the next challenge, I will get issue. I cannot use the same playground again. So I have to make a new one. So that is the only reason I'm not doing this hands-on. Otherwise, you can do it. If you have two playgrounds, I'll suggest you can give a try for these activities. The formulas are pretty much simple, like close date minus today, right? To find out how many days are remaining. A similar way, you can debug your formula also, like you can check the syntax. The syntax error will be written over there. So just read the error message properly. You will get to know your mistake very well. Okay. Um, we have a challenge over here based on the same. They're asking us to create a formula field that will help you to calculate the number of days remaining before the contract expires. So the scenario is same over here, but they are asking us to work on the contract object rather than working on the opportunity object. Okay, so let's give a try for this. You can open your playground. I want to work around. They're asking us to create a field, right? Where should I go from here? Come on, everyone, navigate me. What should be the next step? Setup, correct. The gear icon, setup. Now, object manager. Yes, I'm in object manager. Perfect. Followed by, what is the easy way to find your object here? Right now, I'm having 51 plus items here in my object list. Correct. Quick find. And I'll search for contract. It is not contact, it is contract. This one. So we'll go for this guy. Now, fields and relationship. Correct. Because they're asking us to make a field. Everyone, quickly show me a thumbs up if you all are on the same page. We all are on the same page? Yes? Okay, beautiful. Let's proceed ahead. I'll click on the new button. And what would be the data type this time? Number or text, date? What should be the data type here? Formula. Correct. We are trying to create a formula field. Yeah, here we go. So we have the formula field available. Let's do next. Copy and paste the name. Days remaining. Copy it, paste it to avoid any error typo. Now, when I calculate the formula after the calculation, what do you think? So what would be the return type? In return, I will get date, number, percentage, text, or what? Number. Correct. Because though my input is date, but after doing calculation, it will she give me the number of days, how many days are the differences there in between them. So we'll say a number here. Okay. Next. Now, oh, I'm using the demo one. I should use the cohort one. Fine. My bad. Next. Now here, this is your here you can add your formulas, and we always work on the advanced formula. We don't go for the simple one. The difference between the simple and the advanced is very small. In the simple, you will not get the functions, okay, available from where you can choose it easily. But if you want, we go for advanced formula every time. Here, you can see you have this option available, which is giving you all the functions. So from here itself, you can insert the selected function. It would be easy for you to use. After inserting the function, you may need some operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and all. So you can select them from here. Now, I am working on the contract object. From this object, I want to take the information of one of the field. That field name is closing date or end date. I should know the closing date, then only I can subtract it from today. So this field information will come from insert field option. Okay. So insert field will give you the field. You will be able to access the field of the selected object. Operator will help you to insert the operator, and the functions will give you all the functions. Like today is one of the predefined function which we'll be using here. Now first I want the closing date. So I go to insert field from the contract. I want an end date. So contract start date is there. End date. Yes, here we go. Contract end date. Then press the insert button. Contract end date API name is end date. You can see the data type is date. API name is end date. We'll insert it. It will populate automatically on the screen. The formula is very simple. End date minus. You can type the minus sign directly if you want. Or else what you can do, insert operator subtract. Okay. After subtraction, I want today's date. Every time it should automatically, the system should itself automatically fetch today's date. So what is that? That's a function. You can just go for T here. It is showing you month, now, or not, right? Pick list. So I'm going for today. I select today function. It returns the current date for you. This is what we want. Insert the selected function. So the formula is what we discussed earlier. End date, closing date minus today's date. Fine. Check for syntax error. There should be no any error here. No syntax error in the merge field. Well and good. Come on, everyone. You can even copy and paste it or type it directly. That will also work. There is no as such compulsion to insert it from the field and the operator itself. Okay. Ms. V. Lakshmi, the previous classes link I don't have. You can just go to the official website or YouTube channel of the Future Prime Skills. There you will get it under the live section. So you can go to Google, just search for Future Prime Skills. Okay. Future Skills Prime. It is case sensitive. It is case sensitive. No any doubt. All the field name are in the Pascal case. If you see here, it's in the Pascal case. All the functions are in uppercase. You can type it manually if you actually know the correct API names and everything. Then only. Otherwise, it is not going to work for you. Okay. Are we good to go ahead? Everyone done till here? Days remaining. Formula is done for all of us. No, 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 no. We go to insert field. In the contract, under contract, search for contract and date. And then press the insert button. Okay. So I click on contract. I selected end date, contract end date. Then I press the insert so it will come on the screen. It's like hierarchy here. Now the contract is in the relationship with the account also. Account is the object itself. So if I click on account, it will open another one. That these are the field I can access being in the contract. So that is the lookup relationship which we are using here. I'll just close this. Okay, they are asking anything else? No. So simply next, save. Let's do it. Next, save. Nothing else. Check for challenge. You should get 500 points. Okay. Are you all able to earn your 500 points? Yes, no. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yes. Okay. Now, where we can go and see these changes. I made some field and it's a formula field where I can see these changes. Where should I go if I want to see the front? I have done everything in the setup right now in the back end. Where should I go to check the front changes, front end kind of thing? Correct. We go to the app launcher and search for contract. The plural will come. I'll go inside any record for a while. If you don't have any record here, click on recently views. All contract you can select. Oh, I have only one contract. Okay, fine. I'll go in this contract only, Burlington. Oh, it opened the fine. I'm in the contract right now. Details. Okay, it is showing me I have around 206 days are remaining right now. I'm getting two of them because I have already done it earlier. That's the reason. So if I change this end date, the end date is of 2025. If I update this, oh, it's not showing me that option. Fine. No contracts. Fine. Do one thing, create a new contract, create a new record. On the right top, you have new button. Add a new record in your contract object. New. I said account name is Gin Point. So it's in the master relationship. You can say without account name, you cannot add a contract. You need the account. No account, no contract. Gin Point. Status draft only. Start date is today's date I'm selecting. And it will end in 6 months. I have mentioned 6 month end date. So it will automatically calculate the closing date and then automatically give me days remaining. So in 6 months, this contract will end. I have just answered all the mandatory questions here. Yeah, that's it. Save. It will take me inside. I'll go to details page. And here you can see it is showing days remaining automatically for me. That is 180 days are remaining right now. If I change this contract term, it's 6 months right now. I will update it to 12 months, save it. It is showing me 364 days. Yeah, if you don't have a contract, create a new record. That's what I told you. Press new and make it. Fine. On the right top, you have the new option to add a new record, right? So add it and just answer the mandatory questions there, like account name, and then followed by uh, the draft status and the start date and date. That's it. You all are able to do it. Check it. Is it working for you all? Miss Bhavya, on the right top of the contract, you will get a new page, new button. Okay, let me explain you one thing. Remember this thing, everyone. You will go to any object, whether it is contacts, property, broker, anywhere. This new button will help you to add a new record, new entry into your object. Okay, so we click here and then you need to answer the important questions only, like required one only. You need account name here. So I'm putting Jane Point. If it is not coming, type it, it will come. Status, leave it draft only. Contract start date, choose any date whenever you want to start it. It's on you. You can choose any date. Like my contract will be starting on this. Or the end date is in 10 months. Save. So in the details, it will let me know 10 months means how many days. It is 306 days. Okay. I hope so. You all are able to do this time, Mr. Atul and Miss Ayushi and others. Miss Amruta. Okay. Done? Yes. Okay. Let's proceed ahead for the next level. And before going for the next level, let me launch the Cohort 1 playground. I'll just close all the other playground. Fine. The second one is implement roll-up summary. The name itself tell, no? It is a summary. It will summarize the thing for you, basically. Okay. So roll-up summary, like here, I want to check out the total. How many opportunities are there? I want to know the total of this, sum of the opportunities. This kind of thing, summarization you can do. In the roll-up summary, you have only 3-4 options available. First, you can use to count anything. I want to count how many opportunities are there. I can use the count option. Second is sum, which will summarize the thing for you. Then you have minimum and maximum. Okay. I have the salary object. The amount of salary is written over here. I want to know what is the minimum salary which I am giving. So I can use the minimum there. I want to know the maximum one. So at that case, we can use the maximum formula. Self-explanatory, very easy, right? It's not that much difficult. So let's try to make sum of opportunity. We have to go to, you all are in the setup already. So go to setup, object manager, and you have to find in the account object, you want to know how many opportunities you have it for per one account. So I'll search for account, field and relationship. Show me a thumbs up, everyone, if you are at the same place. You can see I'm in the setup object manager on the account right now. under the fields and relationship. Okay. Let's click the new button in order to make a new field. And this time we need the data type as roll up summary because we want to do a summarization of the field. Correct? Let's go ahead. Next, I just copy the name. Sum of opportunities. Okay. Next, you can add the help text and everything. It's on you. So, which object you want to summarize? In the account is the master here. On the account page, this changes will reflect. I want to see the opportunity sum. Sum of which field? Amount, expenditure, quantity, probability, what? So, amount, sum of amount they're asking. So, we are trying to find how much amount altogether can be generated from the one account, basically. Done till here? Yes, no. Okay. Next, it will be available for all this profile. We are okay with it. Next, it will come on the customer account page. Fine. Next, all these page layout we can see there. Save. Now to see the changes, should I go to the opportunity object or account object? Come on, tell me. Is it going to be opportunity or account? Account. Perfect. On the account, we get information about opportunity. Let's go to account. I'll just open any account here. Gen point. You can see I have opportunity 1, opportunity 2, opportunity 3. 3 opportunities are related to this account. I want to know the sum of this amount. 85,000, 60,000, 30,000. So we go to details and it is showing that altogether I will get around 1,75,000 as my sum of opportunities. I hope so you all are also able to get this. By any chance, if you add a new opportunity for the same account, that number will change. Like I'm telling, my opportunity name is GenPoint XYZ. Okay. Stage is a prospecting stage. Close date, this opportunity will be closed on the 30th. I'm just answering the compulsory question. Fine. Where is the amount? Yeah. I'll be able to generate around 12,000. See. Done. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities. Let's go to details and let's see it got updated. Earlier it was around 175. Now it is 187. So if you add more opportunities, the sum of opportunities will get updated automatically. So this is what the roll-up summary that will summarize the thing for you. Like give you the sum, maximum, minimum, or the count. Pretty much clear? You have 0 item, then add it. Okay. Let's try to do the challenge, everyone. The challenge is also the similar thing. It's very, very simple. Now we have done the roll-up summary for the account only you have to make, but for potential value, not for the amount, for the potential value. Where you will try to figure out expected revenue. Come on. Try to create a roll-up summary on the account object. Same object, same process. Do it. I'll give you 5 minutes. Oh, done. Good. Very quick. Mr. Prashant, look, go to YouTube, and search your YouTube. Okay, Future Skills Prime. You can see it's going on live right now. But if you go to the live category, here, once this live session will get over, you will get the recording of the previous session. As of now, the live session is going on. That's why this live session is coming. But when you will actually do it, like once the live session is over, then you will come at this place, you will get all the old recordings here only. Under recently uploaded also you will get. You can see. Right? So, yep, all the recording sessions are there, all the 4 days. Fine. Okay, we are done with 2.30. When will Salesforce admin session begin? Mr. Arjun, it would be announced on official website. I'll say keep your eye on the website. The Future Skills Prime. Probably from the next month, mid. We are expecting it. Okay. like it's September, right? October 15th around something. Estimated date I'm telling you. So keep your eye on the portal. That would be better for you. Okay. Uh, those who have done it, well and good. If you have not done it, let me show you how to do it quickly. It's pretty much simple. Yeah. We have to go to the setup. You have completed a developer catalyst program before, and okay, it depends on you. Like, I'll say if you have done that certification and everything, then why you have enrolled for the catalyst? You want to basically to revise it or do something, that might be the reason, right? That's why you have enrolled yourself. I'll go to account. No, no, no. We are not covering. We will cover only the content, whatever is there in the developer catalyst v 3.0 course. So the course content is already there, and that only we are going to follow completely. Okay. I'll just make a new roll up summary. Next, the field name is given here, potential value. So let's do the same field. Next, the object is opportunity. We want the sum of expected revenue. Total of expected revenue of all the property. Correct. So I have selected the opportunities. Total means sum. Aggregated field is expected revenue. Next, 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 and save it. Okay. Oh, okay. So I just completed this level. If you check for the challenge, you'll get the point. In the account object, I have made one roll up summary again. I hope so you all also got 500 points. What is the next level here? Come on. Yes. Okay. Cool. Create validation rule. Okay. To keep your data clean, validation rule is very, very important. Let's suppose while entering the data into the database, into your CRM, there is one field called here gender. Okay. Now, in this field, the user supposed to enter the gender of a person. Simply. Some of them are entering it like M for male. The others are using it male, like this. Okay? The meaning of both the things are same, but it make a big difference when I will try to count the M value or the male value and all. So it should be a little difficult for me. Okay? So what we can do here in order to avoid this kind of thing. The other thing what can be there, Let's suppose I have here account ID or account number, and I want the user to enter the account number, which is always 15 digits. So if somebody is entering the account number which is less than 15 digits, I should get the error. This is what I want to do. I should not allow anyone to save their account details if their account ID or account number is less than 15 digits. Make sense? So, to do all this thing, to avoid the user, in order to avoid the user to add incorrect data, we need the validation rule. So the validation rule works like before saving the record into your system, it check all the things, checklist. If it is there, then well and good. Otherwise, it will not let you proceed, go ahead and save your record until and unless you will not update. Okay. So this is something which we have to make. Let me see the activity which is given over here. Somebody is getting error while inserting account records, and we could not check your work in this. Okay. Try to do it in a new playground. Just do this activity in a new playground. If you have any other playground, try it in another playground. Do it along with me. And if you still get the same error, then let me know. Okay. Here, let's suppose the example is given. The length of the account number is not equals to 8. In that case, I'll get the error message on my screen. This is for the account number length you're checking. This is for like if your account number is numeric or not. So first you will check, is blank, it should not be blank. First you will check, it should not be blank. If it is not blank, then the number should be numeric. That's why it is an and here. So the number is numeric. It's a number. Then you will, no. These tasks are not interlinked to each other. You can do it. Right now only I have done the first task in the different playground and the second task in the different one. These are not interlinked to each other. So you have different examples given here. Like you will take today's date and the my date. If they are not equal, then also you will get the error. Date must be in the current year. Then only you will be able to proceed ahead. Maximum salary minus minimum salary, the difference should be more than 20,000. Okay. So you have multiple options are given here, examples are given here. Like some countries are not eligible. So validate that the account billing country is validate. So you have all the letters here, like billing country names. It's just adding the validation rule. So we'll try this. They're asking us to create a validation rule that display an error message and prevent the user from creating or updating a contact on the contact we have to create for an account if the contact and account have a different zip code. So it's pretty much simple. You have two different objects. The first object is contact, the second object is account. They are in the lookup relationship. That's why you'll be able to see what is there in the account here. In the account, you have the billing postal code. Here you also have the postal code. Here you also have the postal code. So whenever a person is trying to add a new record in the contact, and I said I have this contact for account name ABC. I have that ABC account in the account object also. And this ABC account is having the postal code 1234. It's like this. Okay. So in this case, when I'm making a new record into my contact, okay, into my contact here, I have added that it is same, like we have the account also related to it. Then after making a relationship with the account, now if I say the postal code is 456, I'll get the error there, because in your account, whatever the postal code you have, it is not same in the contact postal code, and that is the reason you will get the error. So you have to make it sure you will enter the same postal code at both the places. Otherwise, it will hit a sang for you. Okay, let's try this. Contact must be in the account zip code. Copy the rule name. We have to go to the contact. I'm in the contact now. Field a relationship new. Oh, sorry. We have to go to validation rule this time. Show me a thumbs up if you all are in the validation rule for the contact. What about others? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Nice. So I don't have any validation rule for now, but I'll add a new one here. So we click on the new button first of all. New. Paste the rule name. Now it's time to add a big formula. The first thing I'm using here, it's an function, because I want to check multiple things here first of all. So the first thing which I check it here, that whether my contact is related to the account or not. If the contact is related to the account, that means in the contact, the account ID must be there something, XYZ. And the same account ID will be there in the account also, XYZ. If I'm putting this, then only they are in relationship. So here I'm using notch is blank. What is not blank? My account ID. I set the first condition as my account ID should not be blank. It is not blank. Fine. The next thing which I want to do, now I will check the postal code from the mailing and from the account. So insert postal code, mailing postal code. Operator not equal, field account, postal code. Yes. Okay. So if it is not equals to my shipping postal code, I'll just adding this thing in the chat also for you all. Yes, definitely. You can copy and paste it if you want, or else you can type it also. Not an issue in that. So we have to check two things here. First, the ID should not be blank. Then you will check whether the postal codes are same or not. If ID is blank, I'm just adding a contact. It doesn't have any related account. Then I can put any postal address. It's fine. They're asking anything, enter error message for the validation rule. Okay. I'm putting the oh I'm putting the same error message. You can add any error message here. Fine. Contact postal code should be same as account postal code. Where the error message will come on top of the page or next to the field, I'll keep it on top of the page. It's fine. You can choose it next to the field, then decide where it will come, which field you have done wrong. We have done wrong with the postal code. So it will come next to the postal code. This is also you can do, or top of the page. Both are okay. The syntax has been shared already. Oh, I have shared it with the wrong. Okay, let me put it for everyone. Sorry. Yeah. Check for syntax. No errors. Done. Next, save. That's it. Yes, Miss Renuka, if you want to complete it along with me, then you have to do it whatever I'm doing here. So we will just save it. My validation rule is ready. Correct? Check for challenge. It will work for you. Now, if I want to check out my validation rule, where should I go? Tell me, come on. Where should I go in order to check the validation rule, whether you applied the validation rule, it's correct or not? And with this, you must have earned another badge for yourself. So congratulations. In the context, right. So let's go to the context now. I'm going to the app launcher, search for contacts. I'll try to add a new contact here. New. Now, let's answer the mandatory questions. The salutation is Mr. The first name is Bob. The last name is Builder. So it's Bob the Builder. I'll go down and I'll say it has the account name. Yeah. This you should not keep this one empty. If you keep this empty, it will easily save it. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm selecting that Mr. Bob is from the GenPoint account. Now the first condition is true here. That account ID is not empty, is not blank. Fine. Now, and I'll put the postal code. I really don't know the postal code, what I have it there. So I'm just adding random stuff here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to save it. We hit a send. Contact postal code should be same as the account postal code. As I selected show the error next to field, the error is coming next to field. If you have selected show the error on the top, here the error message will come. It will not allow me to save this thing until and unless I will not enter the correct postal code. And I don't know what is the correct postal code for GenPoint. I don't think so it has any postal code. Let me try. Let me keep this thing empty. Save. Yay, yes. GenPoint is actually not having any postal code. So it should be empty here also. Error location I selected next to the field. You can select wherever you want. You can select next to field or you can select top. It's on you. Meaning postal code does not exist. Where you're getting this error, you're getting this error for the formula where you're doing the validation for the formula. Okay, in that case, don't do copy paste. Add it from the field. Actually add it from the field. What do I mean to say by that? That like when you're entering the formula here, especially this mailing postal code, the field names, don't type it or don't copy paste it. Delete it. Go to insert, contact, and here you have mailing postal code. Here, this one, and then insert it. So it will take the correct API name automatically. If you're getting name errors for especially for the field name, then I'll suggest you go to insert field and insert the field names from there only rather than copying and pasting. No, the spaces are okay. Because of spaces, you will not get any error. I don't think so. Yeah, no errors. Okay. Wherever you see the Field name. This is the field name. This is the field name. This one is again the field name. This one is again the field name. Add these field name from insert field option to avoid any syntax error. Okay. Others are able to do it and get your point. The recording sessions are there after the class to solve your queries and doubts. Okay, if you want to quick recap something. But the attendance are compulsory in order to get your certificate. Miss Amruta, mailing postal code is a default field. It will be there for you. No any doubt. It's field contact. The correct name is mailing zip or postal code. Zip or postal code. But the API name is postal code only. Yes, Miss Bhavya, because you have not added the postal code. You leave the postal code empty, and in your account also it might be empty. So that's why they are same now. So when you're trying to leave them empty, and in your account also it is empty, it will allow you to save you, no error. But if you go down and enter the wrong postal code there, like 1234 XYZ, anything like that, then you will get the error because in your account actually you don't have a postal code. Okay, fine. I hope so you all got the batch for this. I'm moving on to the next module right now. The next module, which was planned for today's session, is Lightning App Builder. So, no, not this one, sorry. Quick Start Lightning App Builder. It's a project complete. Everyone, come here and start it. Come on, everyone, open this project. We'll do a project today quickly. It is Quick Start Lightning App Builder for 300 points. That means around 3 levels will be there. Are we all in? Quick Start Lightning App Builder. Okay. Create your first page, add more components, and add a quick action and activate the app. So I'll be trying these things today. Okay, so Lightning App Builder is basically help the developers and the business user to build the custom user interface, your own personalized interface for different departments. You can create it as per their requirement. Okay, and it can work with both the thing, with your cell phone also, with your desktop as well. Okay, here we have to do all these activity in order to get the points. So they are asking us to create your first page for the app. Okay. So let's follow the steps here. Launch it. I'm in the setup right now. Okay. Setup. We have to search for Lightning App Builder. And then we have to create a new app page over there. There are different pages like app page, home page, record page. So we are making the app page right now. Okay. So let's try it out. In the quick find, search for app builder. Click on this. Show me a thumbs up if you all are on the same page. In the home itself, search for Lightning App Builder. Click on this. Okay. Now I want to make a new one. We already have couple of apps here. Different pages. Like you can see the record page is there, contact page is there. Right? We'll click on this new button in order to make a new page. Are we all in? As I told you, we have different pages available. App page. The next is home page. Home page is like something, the main page for your application, right? Home page, like here on the sales. If I go to home, that's a home page. Record page, how the record will appear. We have done the record page while the last class, if I'm not wrong, where we have tried to change the some elements here and there, the details, the dynamic form, and all this thing we have done it on the record page. Let's go for app page for now. Next to copy and paste the label, okay, as it is without any typo. Next to, they want two regions. We have different layouts as per your requirement. Header, left sidebar or right sidebar, three region, equal three region, two regions only. So they are asking us to create only two region without header. This is how the layout will change with respect to your device. On the monitor, it will look like this: tablet, horizontal, vertical, or on the cell phone. So it's friendly for all the devices. You can see here, laptop and cell phone together. Okay, all of them are device friendly. You can say done. What I have done, I went to the setup. I'm showing you from the beginning. Please have a look. In the setup, search for Lightning App Builder. Okay, Lightning App Builder. We'll go for this. Okay, we press new button. We are trying to make the app page. Next, label is field sales app. We copied it from the instructions only. Field sales app. Next, the layout is two region. Done. Nothing else. Okay. Okay. I'm just going ahead now. We have all the components over here, like what you want to add it to your page. Do you want to add a list? Do you want to add a text box, the chart, dashboard? All the standard components are there. Even the custom one are also there, which comes with the we install that dream house. So from there, these customs come. But you can also upload your own customized one as well. No any doubt. So on the left side, you will see all the components. On the right side, you will see the properties of them. Whatever the element is selected, for that the properties will come on the right side. Right now, what they are asking us to do, they're asking us to work on the tablet portrait. So the layout will change for us. Here, right now, I'm on the desktop, but I'm making this app for the tablet. So I will change it to the tablet. Here is the option to change your layout. Done, everyone? Okay. Now we have to take a list view in the left column. Set the properties of this component using the properties list in the right side. Okay. Search here list view. It's a component name. I'll keep it in the component box. Fine. Right now, the list view is empty. It's not having anything. But you can add the object here. Account, my account, and 7 details we have to put. Fine. So in the list view, I want to show the account information. I'll select object is account. All account? No. Only my account I want to show. How many record I want to display? Only 7. So I am changing the properties of my list view component from the properties section here. Account, I want to see the account information. You can choose anything like object, opportunities, properties. That will come here. My account and then number. Okay. Done till here, everyone? Yes. Okay. Let's move ahead further. That's it. They are just asking us to save this. Ask us to work on the right side. Then we will activate it for the organization, something like that. So just save it. We'll not activate it right now. Save. Not yet. Activate it. No need to activate it. Simple. Check for challenge. You'll get your 100 points. You all got your 100 points? Now let's move on to the next one. Add more components. Obviously, the second box is empty. We are not going to leave it empty. So what they're asking us to do, yep. Recent items you have to add it. Okay. That will show us the recent item, whatever we have done with respect to leads and opportunities object. Okay. So search here. The component name is reset item, drag it, drop it here. Okay. Okay. So when we come to this, like, let's keep on selected this item. And here you can see the objects and everything. The name is custom, standard, recent item. What we want to name it. Custom label should be opportunities and leads. It should not be standard. Copy the name, change the label here. It should be opportunities and leads for this component. For this component, we have updated the label here simply. It should show us opportunities and leads. Okay. The next thing is, yeah, we have to add opportunities and lead into the object. Fine. So we have to click on this object, select API anomaly events. We don't want to show this in the recent item. So we select this and we click on the back arrow to keep it back to the available list. In the selected, we want opportunities, go for O. It's alphabetically arranged. Add it, the right arrow. Then lead, LMNP. Do we have search option? No. Okay. Lead. Yes. Add. So you have to make sure that in the selected option, you have only two objects selected. The first is opportunity. The second is lead. If you have anything else here in the selected section, use this arrow to keep it back to the available list. Okay. Done till here. Press on OK. And you can see whatever the recent activity I have done on opportunity right now and the lead, it is coming here. I have done the recent activity on GenPoint XYZ and the Burlington Textile. So it is coming here. It might be different for you. No need to worry. Okay. Now, finally, we are done with this. Okay, save it. We press the OK already. Save it. Don't activate it. Just save. Changes save. Check for challenge. You will get your points. So in the first step, we have understood how we can add a list and how you can add your object, whatever the object you want to show it in that list. In the second level, you have understood how you can add a recent visited or recently accessed item on your page. Clear? It's fine, Ms. Bhavya. Got 100 points. Okay. It might be empty for you because you have not opened any opportunity recently or any lead recently. But as you can see here, while working on the account, I click on the opportunity and all. So that is the reason GenPoint XYZ and all these things are there for me. Okay, 100%. Got it. Let's move on to the last unit for the day. Add a quick action and activate it. So my page is almost ready. App page is almost ready. Now we have to add the action buttons over here and then save the thing, activate it. for a profile or for the entire organization based on the requirement. Simple. So let's do it. I just added two table here, but I want on the top couple of buttons, quick action button, like which is handy for the user to do the task easily. Like I want to create a new account, new contact, new case. Just click on it, done. Okay, easy peasy. So quick action buttons, we have to add it here. So click the page, app properties, actions button. Okay. Click on the page. We don't click on any component right now. We click on the page. Don't click on this component. Only component would be selected. Only component. No. Click on the empty space. So it will select the entire page for you. Now you can see the page is selected here. You can see where you are. If you check here, you should get page. So on the page, scroll it all the way down. You will get the option actions. Yeah, we want to add actions. Select. What kind of action do you want? New case. The order is log call, new case, new lead. Log call. Yes, log call add. New case add. New lead add. New task add. So this should be the order. If we have shuffled it, you can click on it. You can click this arrow to move it down or up. But make sure the order is correct. Page property developer name has an invalid value. Okay. Improved data quality for recruiting app was there for the assignment. So that wasn't discussed today, Miss Vaishnavi. But yeah, we have the doubt solving session. In that I will do this thing in front of you if you want. So no need to worry about that one. Okay, so still you're getting the error. What error you're getting? Okay, I will do it in front of you, Miss Vaishnavi. Not an issue. Leave it. Leave that. I'll do it in the doubt solving session. We have it dedicated. So there I will do it in front of you all. Okay. Yep. Miss Sangeeta, in order to watch the previous recording, please visit the Future Skills Prime YouTube channel. Under last updated, you will get all the recordings. You can even select live also. There also all the recordings will appear once this live session will get ended. So Future Skills Prime. This is the name of the YouTube account. Just go there. There are different categories are there. Select last updated. You will get all the 4 recordings back to back. Are we all done till here? Now the last step is only left. We have to activate it. Yes, Miss Renuka. I just press OK now. I'll show you quickly how to activate it. Now this time we are all set. We added the quick action also. These action buttons will come. We added the list. We added the recent view. Everything is ready. It's ready to launch, activate it for the user. Okay. So let's click on save first. Yeah. Activating for field sales app. Copy the name. Add page to the button. Field says app. I can place it below the today. I can save it. Fine. Activation. The name is already coming for you, so no need to worry. If you want, you can change the icon. They are asking us to change the icon. Yeah, you can leave the icon. If you want, you can change it. It's on you. They're asking us, do you want to activate for all the user or for the system administrator only? Let's see. Okay, default only. So that means we'll keep it all the user only. Now, this is for the page setting. Now the lightning experience. For the lightning experience, we have to, no, they're not asking us to do anything in the lightning experience as well. They're asking us to do on the mobile navigation tab. Because we have created this app for the tablet only, correct? So working on the lightning experience will not help us here. Okay, it will be for the laptop. Let's go for the mobile navigation. How the things should come on the mobile navigation? On the mobile navigation, you know the menu bar, right? So in that menu bar, I want the icon of this application also. So add page to the app. Now here, this is the field sales app. It is coming under the smart search, task, dashboard and all this. I have to drag it and keep it under today. It should come here. After today, it should be. It's movable, okay? And the same icon is coming, which was there earlier. So I will get a chatter today and the field sales app as the third option in my menu bar. If I try to open this thing in my cell phone. Okay, just save it, check for challenge. You should get the point. Press the save button. Done. Activation successful is coming on the right top. It's done. You can check for challenge. Let me know if you're getting 100 points or not. Yes? Yes, yes, yes. Uh, yes, completing the labs and this modules is mandatory, no any doubt. If you're missing 15 minute, 10 minute or something like here and there, you can go to the Future Skills Prime official page on the YouTube. They have their account on the YouTube, Future Skills Prime. Go there under the latest updated or last updated, and even under the live section, you will get the recording for all the 4 sessions, whatever we have completing so far. Now let's see this thing. Though I have created this view for the tablet. Okay, let's go and check it out how it will appear. The app name is what? Field Sales App. Now we named it Field Sales App. Let's go back. Back, app launcher, Field Sales App. It should come for you now. We created some new app. And here we go. It's the same thing. New case, new lead, log a call, new task, same thing, which we added in the action. The actions are coming here as a button on the right top. The logo is coming on the left top. Field Sales App, right? The name of the app. Beautiful. Here, all the 7 entries for the account is coming. We selected, we need to see only 7 entries there. The leads and opportunities are coming, which I recently visited. So it's working pretty much well for me. What about you all? You all are able to access your app? Mr. Praveen, the attendance is based on the time, how much duration you are spending in the live webinar over here. Yes, Mr. Prashant, you will be eligible, and as it's already informed on the day one as well, like if you want, even you can go for the even further certification by after paying the minimal amount, like that is 600, I think so something, and it will give you one more certificate for you. So you can get both the certificates. Okay. Okay, with this, you all must have got another batch for today's session with the help of quick start with the Lightning app builder and formulas and validation. Eh, are we all done till here? Yes, yes, thumbs up, thumbs down. Any error, anything for these two modules, whatever we have completed so far today? Any error, any issues for the syntax error or perfectly done? Okay, Mr. Tejas, good to hear that. Okay, uh, nice. Let me quickly show you. Oh my God, I myself don't know these main tabs are open. Yep. So we are expecting you flow builder basics. While coming for the next session, we have the next session on 30th, yeah, 30th of September, 30 September, on this Monday. The Monday session is going to be trainer lead activity where I would be explaining some concept to you. And on the Monday, we are going to cover the module that is Lightning App Builder. It's a very big module, around 3,000 points you would be earning after completing that module. Okay, so this is what we have planned. Okay, so the Lightning App Builder is something which we are going to do now in the next class. It is around 3,100 points. Here you would be creating all the three types of pages. Today we just explore how we can create the app page. But we will be doing home page, app page, record page. All the three pages there. Okay? For this one. So this is what planned for 30th of September. Same timing, 6 to 8. As your assignment for today's session, I want you all to work around these two modules. Customize the user interface for the recruiting app and the flow builder basics. But you all are getting issue for this one, right? Improve the data quality for the recruiting app. Then this will also not work for you. Don't do this one, fine. Do these two, come on. Yeah, both are based on the flow builders only. Flow builder basics and build a simple flow. Creating a flow is really interesting. Let's see how you all will find this. So these two would be your assignments for today's session. We'll discuss about this in the doubt solving session, and then accordingly you can complete it after that. Clear? Okay. That's why I've told you that don't do that, this one. Leave the recruiting app one. You have two modules related to the recruiting app. We'll do the doubt solving session for these and we'll clear your doubts and we'll try to do it. Okay? So don't touch these two. Leave them and work on the flow builder. Flow builder will work for you easily. So work on these two for the assignment purpose. I will be explaining, Ms. Vaishnavi. We have the doubt solving session, which is like the the sessions are very simple. Two trainer lead activity, one doubt solving. Two trainer lead activity, one doubt solving. So the the next doubt solving session will be there on day 6, and we have the day 6 on 3rd of October. So on the coming Thursday, I'll be discussing about the recruiting app and everything. Okay, 3rd of October. Yes, Mr. Muzammil, we everyone is getting the error for that only. I was suggesting you all to create the objects, empty object, and yeah, to complete this developer catalyst, you have the deadline till like this entire the cohort one is from it started from 18th of September and it will go till 2nd of December. So we don't want to be in hurry, in rush or something. It's a complete 12-week course. We are giving you enough time to work on one module, go through it thoroughly, come with your questions and everything. So I'll be there with you all till 2nd of September. You have that much time. So don't be in hurry. Okay? Fine. Any other questions? Is there any else we can do to practice what we have learned till now? Yes, Mr. Jet, definitely. You can go and take the challenge again. You can do the same challenge thousands of times. Like what I usually do as I've completed these levels, I retake the challenge, right? And even right now in the formulas and validation, you're having a lot of example. Don't try to do in the playground which you're using for solving the challenges. Create a new dummy playground, demo playground, something like that, empty, okay, for your testing purpose to play around. And you can go to use a formula field. You have a lot of examples given here. You can try all these activity. This one, account number, right? This one, this, the syntax error and all, debugging, advanced formulas, all this thing you can try for the practice. Yes, those were the assignment from the previous session that was already informed to all of you, and everybody is done with that. Yes, you can keep only 10 active playground at a time. You cannot have more than 10 playground. And I don't think so you need 10 at a time. I never use 10 at a time, though I've taken a lot of sessions and everything, right? So usually after 6 months, if your playground is inactive, it gets discontinued automatically. So complete these two one flow builder basics and build a simple flow as your assignment for today's session. Next class, we are going to continue with the Lightning App Builder. It's 3,100 points. Okay, fine. Good. Any further queries? Super badges? Yeah. So in the session, along with me, you'll be completing the super badges as well, the Apex one. So the Apex Specialist Super Badge will be done along with me only. Screen flow and approval process, all this thing you have to work around and you can come with the questions and queries in the doubt solving session, I'll help you with that over there. Okay. To watch the recording, you can access the recordings from Future Skills Prime. Go to their YouTube channel. All the recordings are available there. Next class, we have it on 30th of September, 6 to 8 p.m. same time. Okay? Okay. Miss Tanvi, you have to be present in the session for your attendance. It's compulsory. Watching the recording session afterward, that is for your doubt solving or getting the thing better. You have any questions or something, you're not able to do anything along with me in the session. So the recordings are available for that. Okay? Okay. Yes. Thank you, everyone. Mr. Abhishek, are you
Yeah.
there?
Yes. Thank you, Sabha.
Uh,
Thank you, everyone.
I
See you
just
in
have
the,
one thing.
yeah,
I
sure.
got a query there.
Yeah.
Like to get the certificate, they have to do some exam at the end.
Okay. As stated before, the course completion certificate would be generated automatically once they have completed the course. For getting assessed from SSC assessment, they'll have to appear for an exam and it has a cost of around 600 rupees.
Okay. Yep. Fine. And for this, the course completion, is there any eligibility criteria? Like they have to be present for 12 weeks or they can watch the recording afterward?
No, they have to be present. This is the purpose of creating the cohort and creating this program. That is to help them cover the course, clear their doubts, and make them ready for the assessments.
Okay. Okay. We got a question like the certificate will be provided by which body?
By NASCOM.
Okay. Yep. I hope so your questions are answered. Any other question? Like Salesforce certificate exam will be there.
Yes. So there are there will be two types of exams that are optional for you. Optional in the sense you can choose both of them or any one of them. One is the SSC NASCOM assessment of 600 rupees. Another one is the Salesforce certification, the global certification I'm talking about. It has some cost attached to it. You can visit the website and check for that. You can go for any of them.
Uh, if you missed any session, what is the eligibility criteria, sir, for the participation certificate? Like if somebody missed any session or something, they are still eligible?
See, missing one or two sessions is fine. I would encourage to be present in maximum of the sessions.
Okay. Mr. Tejas, you can search it on the official website of the Salesforce. Come on. Yeah, it is around $200.
And just to add to this, there is an option to win. I mean, the lucky winners can win the certification vouchers and some swags upon completion of the course.
Okay. So if the participants are regular and they are completing their
Absolutely.
work, so you will get the chance even to won this $200 voucher for the Salesforce certification as well.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So it's on you. You want to attend the session and be attentive here, complete the task, or watch the recording. Uh, Assignments are just trialhead, Miss Tanvi. Nothing else. Okay.
Tanvi, the assessments are on Trailhead as well as on NASCOM. If you log into NASCOM Future Skills Prime and go and visit the the course pathway, you can see there is a logged card of assessment, SSC assessments. So that is the one part of the assessment. And for the global certification, that is available on Salesforce website.
How we are going to track the assignment completion? Mr. Mohsin Rasool will take your trial head links with the ID you have registered, right? Your email address, the same ID you must be using on the Salesforce as well. So if you share your profile link, we'll get to know how many batches you have earned, what are the skills you got it, and what are the points you have it. So we'll get to know how much you have completed the assignments or not. The attendance link, we don't have as such attendance link, right, sir? It's getting like.
So, Garima, before taking the NASSCOM assessment, there is a mock assessment as well. But however, you can take it only once. It is free of charge. And for the actual SSC assessment, every attempt will take you or will cost you 600 rupees.
That NASSCOM certificate would be acceptable like on the nationwide or?
Yes, absolutely. It is industry-wide accepted within India.
It's a good opportunity for all of you to grab it, definitely. Yeah. If you're planning to go out of India, then you have to be there in the session all the time. Be attentive, keep your attendance 100%, complete your assignment. You may fall into the category of the lucky winners, those who will get some vouchers for the Salesforce.
Mamta, however, I mean, I could not understand your question clearly, even though if you are trying to ask whether the mock assessment will unlock after the course completion, it is already unlocked right now as well, and would recommend you to take the mock assessment first before attempting the SSC assessment.
The SSC assessment will unlock once they will complete this course, right? Or it's still
Absolutely right,
unlocked?
Sabha.
Sorry?
It will remain unlocked until they complete their course.
Okay, okay.
Are we through with the session, Sabha?
Yes, sir, we are done for the session. I was just taking the questions from the participants.
Great.
Okay, so thank you everyone for your time. We'll see you all on the 30th of September and we'll try to answer more questions there. Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, Sabha. Thank you, everyone.
Enjoy your evening. Bye all.